video to fix Photoshop showing this unlicensed Adobe app will be disabled soon, and if your work is at risk, this video will solve it. Are you facing the problem where Photoshop keeps warning that it's unlicensed and threatens to disable, even though you already installed properly? This usually happens because of corrupted license files, Adobe account conflicts, or outdated app versions that fail to verify the license correctly. Most solutions on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and full of steps that are hard to follow and often fail. That is why Rexis is sharing a secret easy trick that quickly fixes the unlicensed app warning and restores Photoshop functionality. This simple method works fast, stays safe, and ensures you can continue working without interruptions. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix Photoshop, this unlicensed Adobe app will be disabled soon. Comment below and tell Rexis, and you can finally use Photoshop without license errors.